In today's video, we will do Surds Rationalization, how to rationalize the denominator. So, we will do with some examples. First example, if we have 1 over square root 2. So, we have to rationalize the denominator. So, we will just multiply with square root 2 over square root 2. So, 1 into square root 2 is square root 2 divided by square root 2 into square root 2. It will be square root 2 over square root 2 into 2. So it will be a pair. So answer will be square root 2 divided by 2. In another example, if we have 2 over square root 3, we have to rationalize the denominator. So 2 over square root 3, we will just multiply with square root 3 and square root 3. So it will be 2 square root 3. Square root 3 and times square root 3 will be square root 3 into 3 means square root 3 square. Square will be cancelled with the square root. So answer will be 3. So it means in the denominator you will get only 3. In the third question we have 6 over square root 3. We have to rationalize the denominator. So we will just multiply with square root 3 and square root 3, the numerator and denominator. So it will be 6 square root 3. Again we have to multiply square root 3 into square root 3 as we have done above. So it will be only 3. Now 3 ones are 3 and 3 twos are 6. So answer will be 2 square root 3. In another question, if you have 4 over 3 square root 2 and we have to rationalize the denominator, 4 over 3 square root 2, we will multiply and divide with square root 2 and square root 2. So 4 square root 2 divided by 3, square root 2 into square root 2 will be only 2. So 4 square root 2 divided by 6, 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6. So 2 square root 2 over 3. In another example, if we have 2 square root 2 divided by square root 6, we have to rationalize the denominator. So 2 square root 2 over square root 6, we will multiply and divide with square root 6 and square root 6. So 2 square root 2 into square root 6 will be square root 12 divided by square root 6 into square root 6 will be only 6. Now 12 can be written as square root 12 can be written as, if you do the prime factorization of this, 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6 and 3 1s are 3. So it will be 2 into 2 into 3. It's a pair, it will go out. So 2 square root 3. It means we can write it square root 12, 2 square root 3 divided by 6. 2 2s are 4. Square root 3 divided by 6. Now 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6. So the final answer will be 2 square root 3 over 3. In another question, if you have 3 square root 3 over square root 5, we have to rationalize the denominator. So 3 square root 3 over square root 5, we will just multiply with square root 5 and square root 5. So 3 square root 3 into square root 5 will be square root 15 divided by square root 5 into square root 5 will be only 5. So this is your answer. We cannot cancel any number. In the seventh question, if we have 3 divided by square root 2 minus 1 and we have to rationalize the denominator. So remember this thing, how can we multiply and divide the numerator and denominator? So we will multiply with square root 2 plus 1. If you have minus 1 over here, minus, so you have to write plus over here. And in the denominator, square root 2 plus 1. Now with 3, we will multiply square root 2 plus 1 divided by, now when you multiply the denominator with the denominator, so you can apply the third identity, square root 2 square minus 1 square. If you remember, a plus b into a minus b, so we can write a square minus b square. So 3 square root 2 plus 1 divided by square and square root cancel. 2, 1 square is 1. So answer will be 3 square root 2 plus 1 divided by 1. It means 3 square root 2, and we will just multiply them. 3 ones are 3. So this is your answer. In another question, if you have 2 square root 3 divided by 2 square root 2 minus 1, and we have to rationalize the denominator. So we will write 2 square root 3 divided by 2 square root 2 minus 1. We will multiply with 2 square root 2 plus 1 and 2 square root 2 plus 1. So 2 square root 3 times 2 square root 2 plus 1, and divided by, we can apply the third identity, 2 square root 2 whole square minus 1 square. Now we will multiply this with this and this with this. So 2 2s are 4. Square root 2 square root 3 square root 2 will be square root 6 plus 2 square root 3. Now when you apply the square on this, so 2 square and square root 2 square minus 1. So 4 square root 6 plus 2 square root 3. 2 square is 4, and square root cancel. 2 minus 1. So 4 square root 6 plus 2 square root 3 divided by 4 2s are 8 minus 1. So 4 square root 6 plus 2 square root 3. 8 minus 1 will be 7. Let me do a past paper question. 8 divided by 1 minus square root 5, and we have to rationalize the denominator. So 8 over 1 minus square root 5, we will just multiply with 1 plus square root 5 divided by 1 plus square root 5. So with 8, we will multiply 1 plus square root 5 divided by 1 square minus square root 5 square. Now 8 1s are 8 plus 8 square root 5 divided by 1. Square will be cancelled with the square root minus 5. So 8 plus 8 square root 5 divided by 1 minus 5 will be minus 4. So you can just divide the first numerator by the denominator and second numerator by the denominator. So it will be minus 2 square root 5. This is your final answer. Another question we can take from the past papers. 3 over 2 plus square root 5. We have to rationalize the denominator. 3 over 2 plus square root 5 times 2 minus square root 5. 2 plus square root 5. 3 times 2 minus square root 5. Sorry, minus will come here, and then we can apply the third identity. 2 square minus square root 5 square will be cancelled. So 3 into 2 minus square root 5 divided by 2 square is 4 minus 5. So 3 2 minus square root 5 divided by minus 1. So you can just remove this minus 1 by changing the places in the numerator. So square root 5 minus 2. So you can remove minus 1. I hope you understood this topic. If you want to ask any question, you can write it in the comment box.